This video will demonstrate you task details interface. You can go to task details either by clicking existing task or clicking plus sign and open blank new task details interface. Let's start with existing task. When you open existing task, it will show you data already populated. The main interface includes two main fields. The work breakdown structure field, which show you task ID, task name will be shown next, and then task completion will be shown over here. If task is already completed, it will be shown as a check mark. If task is incomplete, it will be showing you a percentage of the completion, which you can change to specific value. If task is assigned to somebody, the name of the assignee will be shown underneath. You can actually change that name by clicking on it, or even remove the assignment. The next fields will show you the dates. We currently support two sets of dates, planned and actual start date and planned and actual finish dates. User can modify planned dates, and system will automatically populate actual start when task will be started and actual finish when task will reach 100% completion level. User can populate planned amount of hours dedicated for this task as well as the actual, which can be either populated manually or user can click link, and that will link actual time with the completion percentage. This way, if percentage is 75%, we'll see that now actual time is 6 hours out of 8. The same thing for the cost, which can be amount of dollars or another currencies associated with this particular task, let's say $100. And actual cost can be populated manually or again can be linked to the percentage of the completion. The last field would signify materials which may be required to complete these tasks, and for the materials user can select particular units. Units can be just quantity, it can be running meters or running feet or cubic feet depending on what this task is supposed to be doing. So let's say if it's each, we can say we will need 10 of something, in this particular case appliances. And if task is 75% complete, means we've installed 8 out of 10. Another fields will allow you to populate task nodes, and usually if you don't need task nodes, that field is hidden. Otherwise, you can populate it with something. Predecessors will tell you what other tasks this particular one is linked to, and you can link more by hitting add sign and choosing another task, and choosing the constraint means that selected task will block start of this one, block finish of this one, or will be just linked. User can take photos with the camera on the device by clicking add sign, and those photos will be stored here with their timestamp. If user wants to see details of the photo, you can click on it, and system can show you that photo in large, where you can actually delete it if you want to. All changes to the task will be represented in the history portion, and each change will be shown with a pictogram with the description and details of the change as well as a timestamp. When we create new task, we will see exactly the same interface, except it will be blank and we can populate it with the fresh information. That was task details interface.